Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the Intelli-Machines. Before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel because it's only the way you can get notifications of our upcoming videos. And please make sure you watch the entire series in sequence so you can get better understanding of the course. The Boolean value evaluates either your statement is true or false. For example, if I write 4 is greater than 5 and I run this statement, then the resulting answer will be false. Similarly, if I write 4 is smaller than 5, then here in this case the resulting answer will be true. So you can say that the Boolean function evaluates either your statement is true or false. You can also use if and else function with Boolean value. For example, if I write two variables a and b, and here a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 7. To use if and else function, I will write if b is greater than a, then print me a value yes. Otherwise or else, print me the value no. Now if I execute the code, then you can see our resulting answer is yes, because b is greater than a, or you can say 7 is greater than 5. So in this way you can also use if and else function with Boolean value. One more thing, you can evaluate any string or any number or any complex number using Boolean value to see either the statement is true or false. Now the question is, how can you use Boolean function to evaluate any number or any string? Now here is the example, and in this example I am going to evaluate a string statement by writing print, and within the brackets I will write bool, B-O-O-L, and a string statement, welcome to Intelli-Machines. Now if I execute the code, then you can see that the resulting answer is true. Similarly, in the next statement, I am going to evaluate a number and I am going to write print, and within the brackets I will write bool and any random number. For example, if I write 75. Now if I execute code to see answer, then you can see that again our resulting answer is true. So in this way you can evaluate any string or number or any complex number using bool function. Now here is some important part to discuss with you, that if you are evaluating any string, any number, any complex number, or anything else like dictionary, tuples, list, etc., as long as it has some value in it, then the resulting answer will always be true. Now you might be thinking about that when it results false. So the answer is that the resulting answer will be false if the inserting value is 0, false, none, or there is no value in brackets at all. For example, you keep the brackets empty. So in this case too, the resulting answer will be false. And if you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your friends and social groups, and don't forget to subscribe our channel now if you want to get updates of our new videos.